Are your LM Studio chat logs getting cluttered with old test sessions, outdated model experiments, or unwanted conversation threads? Cleaning up individual chat histories is essential for keeping your workspace organized and freeing up your UI navigation. In this quick guide, we will walk through how to easily delete a single chat thread in LM Studio in just a few clicks. First, open LM Studio and take a look at the left sidebar where all of your saved conversation threads are displayed. Scroll to find the specific chat thread you want to remove and hover your cursor over it. Click on the three dots menu icon that appears directly next to the chat name. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. A quick confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. Click Delete again to confirm the action. Under the hood, LM Studio manages your chats as standalone session files stored locally on your hard drive. Executing the delete command through the interface permanently unlinks the chat ID from the application state and deletes the corresponding raw JSON log file from your home directory. This completely cleans out the conversation history, frees up memory references, and ensures the data won't reload during future sessions. Let's quickly verify that the chat has been permanently removed. Look closely at your sidebar list, and you will see that the target thread is completely gone. If you switch between remaining chats or launch a new conversation, the workspace refreshes immediately without any trace of the deleted thread. And that is all there is to it. If this quick walkthrough helped you clean up your LM Studio workspace, drop a like on the video, hit subscribe for more local AI tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.